In the temperate wilds where cedars sway and clouded skies outlast the day, there climbs a being firm and sure, a roofer braving nature's cure. From slopes of tile to shingled plains, to metal seams that sing in rains, they scale the peaks of man-made height. To shield us from the storm's delight, observe their craft, precise, composed, where nails are set and leaks are closed. They read the roof like weathered skin, and patch the wounds that grow within. With bundles stacked and boots aligned, they face what most leave far behind. They carry spares, they plan ahead, where others fear these few will tread. So here's to those who guard our dens, through squalls and sun, our rooftop friends, unseen by most, but vital still, the silent stewards on the hill.